I'm running a piece of walnut over a half-inch cove bit that is set for a quarter-inch depth. The wood is half an inch thick, and I'm going to be expanding the width of the cove to about 3/8 of an inch. This is going to be used for drill holes that I'm making for the desk that I'm building at school. Just because I wanted to build something instead of buy something. And I figured this was the best way to do it. Next, I'm cutting the wood down to 1-inch strip. This will give me the 3/4 inch that I need for the depth of the drawer pull, and another 1/4 inch for the tenon that'll be used to recess it into the drawer face. And here I'm cutting out the shoulders for the tenon on the full length of the wood. That way I'm not trying to cut tenons on little 3-inch pieces. It'll just make life a lot easier once I get the where I'm cutting them down to the 3-inch width. I'm just cleaning up the shoulder and cleaning up a little bit of leftover from the saw blade and making sure I've got a nice clean edge. Here I'm cutting about a 1/16 off the front of the cove just to shorten that front lip a little bit and make it a little more comfortable. And here's the first look at the profile for the drawer pull. And now for round one of what I believe was 4 different sets of sanding, going from a 150 all the way up to a 240. And right now I'm just smoothing out the edges, making them a little bit softer, and making sure that everything is even. And here's a look after the sanding of the profile. And you can see that it's a little more rounded off and a lot more even. And now it's time to get these things cut down to 3 inches. For the desk, I need 4 drawer pulls. For the shelf that I'm going to build for the desk, I'm going to need 3, but I'm going to cut 8 so that I have an extra just in case. And again, another round of sanding. Now I'm just trying to get the edges knocked off, get them cleaned up, rounded off, just to even everything out and make it a little more comfortable on each of the drawer pulls. And again, starting at a 150 and going all the way to a 240. With the basic shape of the drawer pulls set, now I can take them back to the table saw and cut the shoulder on each end to give the shape for the actual mortise that is going to be used for each of the drawer faces. And I just need to repeat this process for all 8 drawer pulls. And the final step is just cleaning up the shoulders for the mortises, making sure that they're as even and square as possible. And I'm just using a piece of 150 grit sandpaper that is glued to a piece of wood. These are not going to be finished right now, and I will do that at the time that I finish the drawer faces for the desk. And I'm hoping I can put up a video showing you the final product here within a few weeks. But here you can see the final drawer pull, and I can't wait to get these installed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.